Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode problem. Today is day 17. Let's try to solve the today's problem. And today's problem is word pattern. So it's a easy problem and it's a highly like. And you have given a pattern and a string s and find if s follow the same pattern. Okay. Here's follow means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in a pattern and non-empty word in a s. Okay, so let's understand the question with using the example. You have given a pattern a b b a and there is a bijection relation, and you have given a string s which consists some characters. So it's a one dog, cat, cat and dog. So in that a is matching with this dog means in the value of a actually it's a such type of map. A is a key and dog is a value for that key. So a denote the dog, and in that case b is a key and it has a corresponding value cat. So for in that case a is a key for dog and b is a key for cat. So in that case the key and value has unique, so that's why we are going to return true. But let's see that question. If a has a key, if a is a key which have the value dog and b is a key which have the value of cat, and in that case also b have the value key cat, so it's well and good. But a has denoted fish again, so one key has corresponding one value, but in that case there is a two value, so it's violating the case every because in the given we have a bijection relation. So one letter correspond one letter have the corresponding only one value, but in that case it has two value, so that's why I'll just return false. In that case a has the value dog and a has again the value cat, so it's violating the our case, so that's why I'll just return false in that case too. So that's the basic question. So let's try to uh, solve this problem. So it's a straightforward question, but first and foremost what we are going to do, we have given a string s, but it doesn't denote words. So what I am going to do, I'm converting this string into the a vector of strings for our seek of ease to mapping key to corresponding words. So first thing what I'm going to do, I'll try to build a word vector, and the type of the word is string type and it's a vector v. In this v vector I'm going to store the all the words dog, cat, fish. I'll just going to store. So for doing this what I'm going to do, for int I is equal to 0, I greater than s dot size and I plus plus, and I'll make one temporary uh, string. I'll make a string word in which I'm going to store means I store the word for the temporary time. So if si equal a blank space, it means okay, I'm going to store this. I'll just add this let character into my word element until I got a empty. Whenever I got a empty character, so I'll just push into the my vector and I have to empty my word temporary storage for the next one. So what I do, I'll just push the word into the my array, push back word into my array, And after that, what I do, I have to erase this word. So I'll just erase it. I initialize with empty. And after that, what I do, in the else case, it may have a non empty character. So in that case, I'll just simply add into the my word. After that, I know for this last word fish, it doesn't have the empty, so it means it not going to add it. So I have to manually add this thing into my vector. So what I do, v dot push back into my vector, this word. But now the thing is that every word is added on my this vector v, and I have to compare the size of this pattern and the vector size, it's equal or not. If it's equal, so then I'm just then I'm proceed my manipulation. Otherwise I'll just return here 0, because I know it's not possible to make. If if we are given this case, let me just draw your attention here again, because it's necessary. You have given this pattern a b b a b a, and if you given this string, so there is only 3 keys and there is a 4 value, so it's not valid case. Or it may be there is a 5 key and there is a only 4 value, so it's also not a um, valid case. So in that case I'll just return false. So if my v dot size is not equal to my p dot size, if it's unequal, so I'll just return it 0. It's not a valid case. If it's equal, so it means now I am going to manipulate the thing. I have to store, I'll take this pattern character as a key and its corresponding value as a corresponding word as a value. So I'll make it a map. So I'll just use this unordered map here, unordered map, which first key is character and another is value is string type. And what I do, for int is equal to I is equal to 0, I greater than p dot size I plus plus. So I little bit enhance the size. Yeah, what I do, in my map I just corresponding character, for the corresponding character I add corresponding value. Means for this a I'll added this dog, for this b I'll just added this cat, for this b I'll just added this, and for this a I added it. In my map I added this thing. So it do manipulation. After adding all the things, what I'm going to do, so there is a case, I'll do this thing. But now one more thing I have to do, there is a might possibility this a has contained this dog, this a is contain this cat, so there is a uh, different values is available. And this what do, it's actually this actually what is actually does, it's actually store, not going with that case again. If what it do, corresponding this key it add this dog, corresponding this a is add this cat, but there is a might possibility. So after adding this thing, so it's not the case. Yeah, that's the case. This a is corresponding value dog, so it's good. This b have the corresponding value cat, and this b have the value corresponding cat, but this a again have the value fish, so it's not a valid case. So for how can I remove this? So if for int I equal to 0, after I added this thing, I'm again checking p dot size I plus plus. If map of pi, if map of pi is not equal to my vi, so there is my possibility. First, my a is containing dog, but every have corresponding done. After doing everything, a has the value dog. After that, a in a key, for a key I added cat again. फिर again I added cat, then I again added dog. So first case, it's for this a, this dog is valid, so it's not giving me wrong. This loop, and here I write it return 0. This loop is not going to give me false, but for this a, and a has a key, a has a value dog in my map, but in that case is giving me cat, so it give me return false in that case. But there might be possibility, sorry, there might be possibility a also containing dog, b also containing dog. So in that case there is a duplicacy is available, so we don't know uh, what is the actually key regarding this value. So in that case I have to make a set which going to store there is a duplicacy is available or not. If duplicacy is available, I'll just return false in that case. So for checking the duplicacy, I'll made a set string, uh, set of the type of string in which I store the all the this value. If there is a duplicacy is available in the my map, so I have to return false in that case. For checking this, I'll just use auto and iterator for the map. I'm in my map, I'll go to check, and I'll just add it in every value into my, I edit every value into my set. So if I want to access my value of map, so I it dot second, because it dot first denote the key of the map, it dot second denote the value of the map. So I store every value into this array, and map has the property if we get duplicacy, it not update the thing. This insert function, if it's not available, then I'll add it. If it's available, I didn't add it. So that's the case of this insert function, built-in function. So I have to check if set dot size if not equal to my map dot size, it means it has duplication. So in that case I directly return 0. If not the case, so then I'm again, then the valid case, so I have to check if there is a my map key is wrong, add it. If it not, so after that what I do, I'll just return true because it's a valid case, and I map my key to the value in the bijection fashion. So run this code, guys. Okay, p dot size is return 0, p is not okay. I'll just return pattern for my sake of it's a p. I forgot to change the vector word, so it's accepted. Let's submit our code, guys. And yeah guys, it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll resolve your doubt as soon as possible. And until, keep grinding, guys.